Upgrade your living space with the top 5 best sofas of 2025. From sleek modular designs to luxurious comfort, these picks combine style, function, and quality for every home. Number 1. Home Convertible U-shaped modular sectional sofa with chase, reversible modular couch for living room, comfortable fabric upholstery, space-saving design with optional storage, grade modular and convertible design. Rearrange each module to form a U-shaped, L-shaped, or separate seating layout that fits your space and lifestyle. Spacious and comfortable deep seating cushions and wide shades offer maximum comfort for lounging, family gatherings, or entertaining guests. Hidden storage. Select models include underseat storage compartments for blankets, pillows, and everyday essentials. Durable construction built with a solid wood frame, high-density sponge, and premium fabric upholstery for lasting support and comfort. Easy assembly. Each modular piece connects effortlessly, making setup and rearrangement quick and tool-free. Modern and minimalist style. Clean lines and neutral colors blend perfectly with any home decor. Transform your living room into a modern, cozy retreat with the Home Convertible U-shaped modular sofa with chase. Designed for flexibility and comfort, this sectional allows you to customize your layout to fit any space, whether you want a U-shape for gatherings or an L-shape for lounging. Each seat module is built with high-density foam cushions in soft yet durable fabric, ensuring comfort and support for everyday use. The optional under-seat storage compartments keep your living area organized, while the sturdy wooden frame and simple assembly make this sofa both practical and stylish. Perfect for apartments, family homes, or entertainment spaces, the Home modular sofa combines modern design, comfort, and versatility, making it the ultimate centerpiece for your home. Number 2. Lumisol 132-inch modular sectional sofa with reversible chase, oversized U-shaped couch for living room, modular design with hidden storage seats, soft fabric upholstery, comfortable deep seating. Gray. A spacious 132 U-shaped design offers ample seating for family or guests, perfect for large living rooms, home theaters, or open concept spaces. Modular and reconfigurable, each seat can be rearranged to create U-shaped, L-shaped, or individual seating setups that adapt to your home layout. Hidden storage seats. Convenient underseat storage compartments let you tuck away blankets, pillows, or games, keeping your space neat and organized. Comfortable and supportive high-resilience sponge cushions and soft polyester fabric provide lasting comfort and relaxation. Durable construction built with a sturdy solid wood frame and reinforced connectors. For stability and long-term durability. Easy assembly and maintenance. Simple tool-free setup. Removable cushion covers allow easy cleaning and care. Modern minimalist style. Sleek lines and neutral tones complement a variety of home decor styles, from contemporary to classic. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, versatility, and modern design with the Lumisol 132-inch modular sectional sofa. Designed to adapt to your lifestyle, this modular U-shaped couch allows you to rearrange each seat and chaise to fit any room layout or occasion. Whether you're hosting friends or relaxing with family, the deep seating and soft cushions deliver plush comfort. Number 3. A Fusion 107-inch boneless modular sectional sofa with reversible chase, oversized U-shaped couch for living room, soft fabric upholstery, deep seat modular design with hidden storage. Gray. Flexible modular layout, rearrange each seat to create U-shaped, L-shaped, or separate lounge sections, perfect for any room size or layout. Spacious 107 width provides ample seating for families, gatherings, or movie nights, combining comfort and modern style. Hidden storage compartments. Each seat includes convenient under-seat storage to keep blankets, pillows, or accessories neatly organized. Boneless soft comfort plush, high-resilience foam cushions deliver a cloud-like sitting experience with superior support. Durable construction built with a sturdy solid wood frame and reinforced connectors for lasting stability and strength. Premium fabric upholstery. Breathable, skin-friendly polyester fabric offers comfort and easy cleaning for everyday use. Easy assembly. Modular pieces connect effortlessly without tools. Assemble or reconfigure in minutes. Modern minimalist design. Sleek, low-profile silhouette blends seamlessly with any modern or contemporary home decor. Redefine your living space with the Fusion 107-inch boneless modular sectional sofa, the perfect mix of comfort, flexibility, and modern elegance. This modular couch allows you to easily reconfigure each section to match your space, whether you prefer a U-shape for gatherings or an L-shape for relaxing. Number 4. Liaru 78.8-inch convertible sofa bed, pull-out sleeper couch with storage chase, adjustable backrest, modern upholstered fabric sofa for living room, apartment, or guest room. Gray. 3-in-1 convertible design easily transforms from a comfortable sofa to a lounger or a full-size sleeper bed, perfect for hosting guests or maximizing small spaces. Hidden storage chase lift-up chaise reveals a spacious storage compartment ideal for bedding, pillows, or daily essentials. Adjustable backrest multi-angle reclining backrest allows you to sit, recline, or sleep comfortably. A compact yet spacious 78.8-inch width offers generous seating without overwhelming smaller living spaces, apartments, or studios. Comfortable and supportive high-density foam cushions in soft linen fabric provide lasting comfort and breathability. Sturdy construction built with a solid wood and metal frame to ensure stability and long-term durability. Easy assembly, simple setup with all tools and hardware included. Assemble in minutes. Modern minimalist style, clean lines and neutral color options complement any decor. Upgrade your living space with the Liaru 78.8-inch convertible sofa bed, a smart, space-saving solution designed for comfort and versatility. Number 5. Gemmed folding sofa bed, twin, convertible sleeper chair with adjustable backrest, foldable couch bed with memory foam mattress, space-saving design for living room, apartment, or guest room. Gray 2-in-1 convertible design quickly transforms from a cozy sofa chair into a comfortable twin-size bed, perfect for small spaces or overnight guests. Adjustable backrest multi-angle reclining backrest lets you sit, lounge, or sleep in your ideal position. High-density memory foam thick, supportive cushion provides superior comfort and pressure relief for sitting or sleeping. Sturdy metal frame built with a reinforced steel structure for lasting durability and stability. Compact and portable lightweight foldable design saves space and is easy to move, ideal for apartments, dorms, or offices. Premium upholstery soft linen fabric offers breathability, easy maintenance, and modern style. Tool-free assembly, unfold and lock in place within minutes. No tools required. Modern minimalist look, sleek lines and neutral colors fit seamlessly into any home decor. The Gemmed folding sofa bed twin is the ultimate space-saving solution for modern living. This stylish convertible sleeper chair easily folds out into a twin-size bed, providing a comfortable spot for relaxing during the day and restful sleep at night. Featuring adjustable reclining positions, you can switch effortlessly between sitting, lounging, and sleeping. Its high-density memory foam cushion ensures ergonomic comfort and support, while the sturdy metal frame delivers stability and long-term durability. Perfect for apartments, dorms, guest rooms, or home offices, this compact sofa bed blends functionality with sleek, contemporary style. The breathable linen upholstery and minimalist design